package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Liberty Tree Collectors. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Liberty Tree Collectors. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's figure out how to get this open. Already got a little head start on the tape. But this is... Let's see. Okay. Bit of resistance right there. Empty this stuff out. Manifest. Some bubble wrapped stuff. Bag stuff. And the rest is padding. Here. Liberty Tree Collectors. Alright, so in no particular order, let's go with this bagged item. Is first on the list. West German Boonie Hat Flectarn. So I got one of these. Let's see if this is different than some of the other ones that I have. Okay, so let's say about a 2-inch brim, maybe right at 2.5 inches. Sturm, made in Germany. And then this one is E. Fritz kg. Got some lot numbers, 2001, and then this would be a size 57, and looks like an NSN number maybe. Oberstuff, made of 80% cotton, 20% polyester, and then the wash care instructions. You can see it's a light green on the inside. That's a thicker brim type. There's tie-on. Nope. Actually, that's stitched all the way down. Alright, nice. This one, we got 3 vent grommets on each side, and we also have snaps to snap up the sides. Just that side. Interesting. The next thing with the leather adjuster. So, West German Boonie Hat Flectarn. Next up, let's go with the big item here. Continuing the Flectarn theme, West German backpack. Shoulder padded shoulder straps. Let's see, we got a cross strap here. Plastic buckle. It is secured with snaps on both sides. We also got multiple cross down points that are looped in. Up here. Then on the back, we got the big pocket, flap. Okay, nothing on the inside there. Got a little bit of Velcro stowage right here. A little bit more of the strap that's been set into here. A lot of cross straps across the top. Here we have another cross pocket across the top this way, with the opening on this side. Area for hook and latch. Zipper pocket facing this way. Okay, let's look inside the large area. We have a little, well, no, it's pretty deep, goes all the way to the bottom. Little pocket there, internal frame, aluminum feels like, drawstring with a cord lock, and going to the bottom here, looks like here is the additional inner liner and drawstring. And here, and we have the rest of the back side, I guess. Side pockets, just buckle and strap. No keepers at the end, but they're diagonally cut and heat sealed, so it'll be easier to put back in. Looks like we have near the bottom, this is a large zippered area. Let me see if I can fit there. 2 zipper pulls. So that's bottom storage right here. Nope, bottom access through here. Okay. So, looking at this, yeah, that's very interesting. Okay. What else we got going on here? A couple of pass-throughs for straps right there. Pocket for another strap tuck away. So there's a lot of little cubby hole pockets for all these extra straps, etc. So again, West German Flectarn backpack with the boonie hat. Let's start with these bubble wrapped items next. Let's see. Got that. Couple of items mixed in there. This is Swedish Mauser M41 6.5 dummy round, set of 5 with clip. So Swedish Mauser, you can see anodized green tips, the contoured shell casing. Oh, these are very light, so there's nothing in there. Empty primer pockets, and there's no hole even for anything to pass through. There's our basic clip, and these would then slide in through the gap if I'm doing this in the right direction. Probably not. Nope. So there, 4 and 5. So clip of 5 dummy Swedish 6.5 rounds. Very nice. We have here next are a couple of spare parts. Okay, so the smaller one is the M1917 rifle rear sight access pin. Get a better view of that. You can see it has the spanner nut at the end. Come on. So just basic replacement set there. Slot screw end and the spanner nut end. Next, to accompany that is a M1917 rifle stock reinforcement bolt. So this will go through the bottom portion, well, the side, from side to side across the forestock at the trigger end, or trigger guard end. So 2 M1917 parts there, back to back. Next up, let's save this one for last. Let's do these next. These should be 2 items in here, if I'm counting the list correctly. I need some help with this tape. Alright, I'm not sure which is which, so lay them out first. Should have done a couple quick sketches for reference. I believe the larger one, don't hold me to that, these are 2 blank firing adapters, and one of them is the Swedish Mauser M1896 M38 blank firing adapter. The other one is also Swedish, but for the AG42 Ljungman. That would be the blank firing adapters. So I believe that the larger one is for the Mauser, and this one, which is more modern looking, actually is for the Ljungman. So these would thread on the muzzle end, and then these would be pointing past the muzzle, and then they would clip onto the front sight posts with these clips. So you would, I'm not sure I know how to get this one up. I really don't want to force it. It might be a squeeze mechanism. It might be stuck. I can see the detent points right there. I just may not be able to get them past the detent point. Ooh. Okay. Well, this one was easy. This one you can see how it would lock into place over the front sight post assembly here once it's threaded on through the threaded muzzle. Yeah, I can't get this one to maneuver unless it actually just slides on. No, there's no way. It would have to lift up in order to get past the front sight post. Might just have to work on this one a little bit to maneuver that. But you can see how there's no way a projectile is supposed to pass through. It's totally a blank firing adapter, as termed. Alright, so let's get out of the way, and last but not least, we have, it should be a Reproduction French Douk knife. So it's got a kind of aged handle, stainless blade that's very stiff, locks into half position, locks into full position. So you can see here we have a little bit of a lanyard loop area, and you can see a stylized costumed figure. Model déposé, I believe, and Douk. Also Douk on some curly, I don't know, design on there. It does feel smooth, so that feels like it's either a chemical etch or a quick laser etch on there without marring the surface. Probably a chemical. Made in France. And a plain side on this side. You can see kind of the profile of the blade there. And very simple construction, riveted halves together. Pretty stiff handle. Blade is moderate thickness, so more of a display knife than anything. Now closing this, I have a little bit of apprehension, which is good that it has that half locking procedure, because then you can adjust your grip so you don't slash yourself on closing this. So working our way backwards, French Douk knife. We got 2 Swedish blank firing adapters, one for the Mauser M1896 M38, the other one for a Swedish Ljungman AG42. We have 2 parts for the M1917, one a rifle stock reinforcement bolt, and the other one being the rear sight access pin. I might want to leave that easier to see there for you. We also had 5 of the Swedish Mauser M41 6.5 dummy rounds, set of 5 again with clip. We have for this large West German backpack, Flectarn Camo, and we started off with the West German Boonie Hat, also in Flectarn. So, interesting set of items there. This has been another unboxing video. This set from Liberty Tree Collectors. Feel free to check them out. Liberty Tree Collectors. They have a large variety of items. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage Mauser tools and expanded topics. We also do a series of book review media reviews and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.